So the nurse says, Kaylan, you have to get something soft. So she asked the nurse if fried chicken is, she can get fried chicken. The nurse said, no, Kaylan, fried chicken is not soft. She said, yes, fried chicken is soft. The nurse said, no. Where you get that from? Fried chicken is not soft. Here are at what fry your chicken.
Welcome back, viewers and the subscribers. Wagwan, bless up first and foremost. Wull on there with the latest updates and mix up and mix downs at JM. Yes, so as with the description of the video say, that are gone. And this is a quick update in regards to the girl, this high school girl Kaylan.
CT, she did a CT brain this week earlier. She did a CT brain, CT abdomen, CT chest, and ultrasound. Guys, everything came back looking good. The only thing is that she has a little pneumonia, and we are working on that. We are working on that, trust me. Quick and fast, we're working on that. So that is the thing, you know. We're on our way. We're still trying to wean her from the vent. But what keeps happening is she keeps having little seizures in between. And, you know, so she's back on seizure meds and stuff like that, trying to combat this back and forth with her. So we are still trying to wean her from the vent. Things are looking pretty positive, but she's still on. And, you know, I'm feeling good, honestly, because, you know, the doctors are feeling good as well, because, you know, they're saying, Mommy, we're seeing some good improvements where Kaylan is concerned, and we are happy with what we're seeing. If she keeps on this path, she'll be up and going in no time. It might belong to us, but based on a C2 spinal injury, it's quick. To us who is not used to it, based on her injuries, the doctors are saying she's moving pretty quickly. She's doing well. So, you know, no present infections. But, you know, they're going to keep repeating the blood cultures just to make sure that she stays infection free. And this is the move that we are going. It is looking good. She's starting to take things by mouth. And that is us. So, you know, it's just to show you that no matter what, if you don't give up, you will see the end result. You can't see the end result if you give up. You know, last Sunday at church, the message was, or the theme was, are you in or are you out? Are you in or are you out? And let me tell you something. You can't determine which direction you are if you stop, if you give up. You have to keep going. Another part of the theme was, how did you get over? If you give up, how do you tell me how you get over? If you give up on your dreams, if you give up on your fight, if you give up on the obstacles that you're faced with, how do you get over? How are you going to testify? How are you going to tell me how you did it if you gave up? Make up your mind. It's either you're in or you're out. You understand? It's either you want it or you don't. It's either you're doing it or you're not. Right? So to God be the glory. Right? So guys, I gave her a little piece of cheesecake. And cheesecake is Kaylan's favorite. If nobody knows her, cheesecake is her favorite. And she got a little taste of cheesecake. I'm telling her something. For the whole day she asking her teeth. For the whole time she was like, oh my God, this nice. And she just kept saying this nice. She is a drama, trust me. And I look at it and I'm like, these little things that is so important to her. These little, just to taste a little bit of this juice, apple juice. You know, it's like the world to her. She says it's the only substance she's getting, so we must leave her alone with her apple juice. And as a matter of fact, she said when she come home, she not drinking no more Kool-Aid. It's apple juice she drinking because apple juice nice. Rajeji, yes, her spirit is up. Sometimes because today when I got there, she was feeling down. She was a bit sad. Even her nurse said to me, Mommy, talk to her for me because, you know, from I got her this morning, she's been down. She's not talking. She's not, you know, but me being the quirky person I am and the crazy mom I am, I went in there and did my mommy duty, did my mommy stuff. And when I was leaving this evening, she was happy, smiling, and watching her movie, you know. She said she want peanut porridge. She want fried chicken. Like I give you a little joke. So the nurse says, Kaylan, you have to get something soft. So she's asked the nurse if fried chicken is, she can get fried chicken. The nurse said, no, Kaylan, fried chicken is not soft. She said, yes, fried chicken is soft. The nurse said, no. Where you get that from? Fried chicken is not soft. Here are what fry your chicken. What fry your chicken make it tough. We pop up in there because I said, no, sir. I know you guys want to come visit her, Jay. Trust me. And she's waiting. She is waiting to get the visits. Trust me. You know, Kaylan asked the nurse. Kaylan asked the nurse is who? You know, she's been invited to a lot of weddings. She said when I went up there since when today is what? Tuesday. She said I must buy her plane ticket because she go in Miami. So I asked her where she going. She said I must ask the nurse. So the nurse said she invited her to our wedding. So Kaylan said, Mommy, you going to buy my plane ticket? I said, yes, man, of course. I buy any plane ticket. So she said she going. She said, yes, me, I go to Miami. I said, all right, ma'am. So you can't let us see her. Alik and chat for life. I cannot take a camera inside the ICU cubicle. I cannot take my phone. I can't even take my bag. I have to leave my stuff at the nurse's station and then I go in. So I can't take any phone. There's no, it's against hospital policy to record or take pictures inside of the ICU. So the last pictures that you guys saw in the beginning of all this, I wasn't aware of the protocols because I was not informed, right? And when I took them and I put out one picture and it went viral, and then I didn't put out the video. Someone released the video that was close to us, and I got in a lot of trouble based on that. So I will not risk doing anything. Protocols and hospital rules and regulations. Sorry, guys. I would love to. Trust me. You know, would be nice for everybody to be seeing her journey on a day-to-day basis, but my hands are tied. It's beyond my control. So I will not be doing that. You know, I want to say thank you before I end this live. I want to say thank you to everybody that has been supporting us. Every person that has donated, every person that has given prior time, you know, who prayed, some persons fasted, even today persons are still donating, and those persons who donated today, I want to say a huge thank you because you guys are standing in the gap for us. Even though we weren't living in a poverty situation, I want you guys to understand, I don't think anyone could have been prepared for something of this magnitude. It was way out of my budget. It was way beyond my control. It was not something that I could have weathered. This storm, I could not have weathered it. And that is the God's honest truth. Even though we weren't suffering prior to this. But come on. Where would I have found $1 million to pay for a pacemaker and do a surgery? I would not have been able to do it if it had not been for the Chat and Laugh team and the other persons who donated other places. You know, the GoFundMe, the Cash App, the Facebook fundraiser, and persons who've sent via Western Union, MoneyGram did block me from there once, so I haven't been able. But you know, Western Union has been a blessing because they saw the situation and they accommodated me really and truly. They accommodated. They gave me no problems. I'm want to know for big up Western Union because they have been a blessing. The NCB group has been a blessing because they set up the account specifically for Kaylan's donations so that we could be transparent with what the money is being used for and where. So what I do when I'm using most of the from the NCB, I will use my card so you know it shows where you spend the money. That's what I do, you know. The JN group has been beautiful as well. They also did something for us and they have been a blessing to us. So, you know, guys, in the midst of everything, the institutions that saw Kaylan's situation and they made my journey less strenuous or less, or for who those who might not understand what I'm saying. Them never give me no stress, really. Me not get much stress. MoneyGram blocked me from the get-go. Even the persons who sent via MoneyGram in the beginning, I didn't receive $1. Didn't receive $1 from them. The persons had to take back the money and then try and send it in either my mother name or sister name or via Western Union. So big up Western Union for your help. I am greatly appreciative of this. Kaylan is still in ICU, guys. This is my dream and my prayer for her to get out of ICU and on the ward. So people, please still pray. That is where the healing is coming from. God's mercy upon my child. And you know, I'm not a perfect mother. I still try. I still, for those who are not. For those who are not, you know, cakes still going. I can't believe you people. I love you guys. See, cakes are still being 1-1. People still are order 1-1 cake, right? And you know, you know, I am not gonna give up on doing anything that I'm doing to raise my own money for my child, because people bash me for selling cake. People do this, people do that. Come on, it's work. It's called WORK. It's called work. If I make something and sell it to raise money to go towards my child's health care, it's called work. For those who don't understand that, or for those who have never worked in their entire life, right? So I'm gonna keep working, guys. Whatever, the GoFundMe is still up. The Cash App is still up. Everybody knows if Angela is on the, Angela just throw it out just randomly, please. You know, everything is still up. So for those who are still donating, I am praying for you guys. Praying, and God bless you, right? And I know you guys were gonna see when Kaylan come out. Me want one chat and laugh merch for she put on. If you come out of the hospital, chat and laugh, big up lava. Straight. I will never stop saying that. Big up lava, chat and laugh crew, right? Overall settings, big up on yourself. I see you guys. Loyal squad, big up on yourself, right? Hi Nicole, love you girl. Nicole Reed Show, guys, check it out. Nicole Reed on Facebook. Cleopatra Cowards Show. Women's Empowerment, guys, check them out. These people have been persons that I've met along this journey, and they have been, don't go away. They have been supporting us. A lot of the persons that you see, these people are people that call me on a daily basis. They text me on a daily basis. They keep, you know, up to date on a daily basis. They've been there on a daily basis. So guys, I'm just doing the big ups because I'm going to go. Kaylan is improving. Who could it be but God? When everybody thought everything was over. When everybody thought it was done. says, not yet. This shall not be her portion. Death shall not be her portion. Pain shall not be her portion. Trust me. God showed up and he showed up. She's stable. Yes, I'm dancing. She's stable, right? She is stable. And what more could I ask for? Still having little seizures and little tremors and little this and spasm and all of that. Remember, guys, the left side is moving still. She can wipe her face, her one face, scratch her head, all of these little things, right? You know, with the left side. Right side is still sluggish, but there's a little bit of movement, giving God thanks. The main problem we're having, guys, is the ventilator that she's not getting off. It's now giving her pneumonia, and, you know, we're still working on it. So she's not out of the woods, but she has grit. Come on, she start get little juice, so you know that, you know, it's working out. It's working out. God is working out. He's fixing it for us. God will fix it, right? God is fixing it. So have a great evening, guys. I love you guys. Keep supporting if you want to support. Keep donating if you want to donate. Keep praying if you want to pray. My phone 3621827 is still open to anybody. And for the persons that are calling me, asking for help, I am going to start doing my best to allocate even 10 minutes out of my lives to address these issues. There are a lot of persons calling me for advice, counseling, a lot, you know, and, you know, it makes me feel good to know that persons look up to me for encouragement, and people are looking up to me for advice on certain things, their life issues that they're going through and facing with. You know, even one lady called me from, you know, from Mandeville, I think, going through an abusive situation, and she kept reaching out to the police, and, you know, it's as if they're not giving her any attention. So, you know, I'm going to address in another live, you know. So, guys, a lot of persons have been reaching out to me for help and advice, and I'm going to be doing a little segment allocated to help these people. So, I don't know. I'm not forcing myself into this, guys. I'm not putting myself into this. People are asking me for help. I cannot not help, because when I needed help, you all were there for me, right? When I needed help, everyone showed up for me. So I can't turn a blind eye to people who need me when they are going through their time of trouble. I have to be there as well as they were there for me. I have to pray for somebody just the way everyone prayed for me. I have to try and encourage somebody the way a lot of persons constantly on a day. I have persons that send me Bible verses every single day to encourage me every single day. So when persons ask for help, I have to help. So bash me if you don't want, call me names, whatever the case may be. You're free to talk, right? But I'm going to be helping as much as I can. If it's even to give them a friendly advice or a constructive criticism, I will be doing it. So who knows where God is leading me or what he's doing in my life. But this has been a blessing and a curse, you know, but I'm taking it all with a smile. So God bless you, keep you, save and sanctify you, consecrate you, heal you, restore and renew you. God bless you all.